All right, guys. Super Bowl Sunday wings are out there. We got the little atomic buffalo turds on the smoker too. This is the Texas Queso Dip we're doing right here. Okay, get ready. So I'm gonna go over the ingredients. Then we'll start throwing it together because we got to brown the meat. We got to mix everything together. So and it's gonna go on the smoker also. So here we go. I got some ground beef, 2 cans of rotel, cilantro, Monterey Jack, Velveeta cheese, a little bit of cream, and we're gonna need some jalapenos. We're gonna dice up some jalapenos, and this is the only jalapenos I have in the house. So I'm gonna use these pickled jalapenos, all right? And then we're gonna put it all together. Get ready. All right, guys, first thing you wanna do is brown your meat. Get that all taken care of. Okay, here's the best part. We're throwing everything in together, okay? So, first thing you want to do, take your yellow cheese, put it over there. We got a lot of yellow cheese, hold on. I don't think we're supposed to have that much. So put it in one corner, okay? Take your white cheese, put it in the other corner. Okay, take your rotel, throw it in the other corner. There we go. Throw my jalapenos in there. All right. Cilantro, looking good. And that's a mess of seasoning. Just go through your seasoning cabinet and go, yeah, a little cumin, a little smoked paprika, a little pepper, and just go ahead and get that in there too. There we go. Probably didn't need as much in my bowls. I made extra. Okay, before we do, give it a splash of cream. A little here, a little there. It'll bring it all together. And don't forget, the brown ground beef, you're gonna dump that. I'm just gonna put that all over it. All right, there it goes. That's what it looks like. A little messy right now, but it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, go ahead and check, see if we can mix it up. Looks good. Burning? Yeah, it's kind of getting a little crispy, so I'd do more like check it 20 minutes. We waited a half hour. Got a Parmesan chip. It's really good. Let's give this a try before Jack Jr. gets over here and eats it all. Whoops. There we go. That's really good. A little spicy. That's good. Look at that. So beautiful. Junior will be here in a few minutes, so now we're gonna move on to the rest of the dinner. All right, start with the vegetables, then we go to all the salsas and dips right here, plus the Texas Queso cheese dip. All our chips are here. Got sandwiches behind there. Then you come over here and you got the teriyaki little smokies. You got the atomic buffalo turds. I don't know what they call that. And then you have a ton of chicken wings, that 30 pounds that just came out. They've been smoking all day and they're piping hot. Ready, we got all the sauces. Yeah, we pretty much, I think, have covered everything.